and I will say to kids, like as they grow in their language and become more comfortable, they have to know that it's a safe place, and that's where the science circles have come into place. So it's very important that everybody be heard and respected, to create this classroom culture of everybody's ideas are welcome. And so after a while, I will say to kids, okay, so I want to see some of this in your home language, but I want to see some of it in English now. And I want you to try. But that, like I said before, I loop. So by the 8th grade, they really have developed this safe place, that, and so I use all of those things.
In whole group discussions, once again, it's those sentence starters. You really have to, and making sure that your questioning techniques are, make sure, and I've introduced, like whenever we did, for example, the space systems unit, that one, when you guys introduced, OpenSciEd introduced the word soul and everything, and that really helped because they're like, oh, they're really trying, so with the whole group, I would say trying to immerse some of that language into it. Also with the modeling, with whole group, making sure, like, I used both words. I use sun and I use soul. I use, and whenever they ask, can we say Luna? Can we say, those types of things? I would incorporate that terminology into our classroom model, so that it's everybody's model. And so and I'm like, let's put some Spanish words in here for those of you guys that really need that. And so for them, it was using their home language in those models.